Good morning, all of you. I am Michesh Kumawat from BBS6. Today I am presented on analysis on Microtech inverters. Microtech is a private limited company. It is a unlisted private company. It was incorporated on 19 July 1989 and is located in Delhi. It is classified as a private limited company. The company has two directors. Her name is and the name is Nand Kishore Agarwal and Subodh Gupta. These are the two directors of the company. The company design and manufacture products, power products. It design power products. It provide multi and high end inverters, digital Shineware, wave hybrid, solar Shineware hybrid. It is made provide until multi high end inverters, digital hybrid, solar. There are many type. Multi and high end inverters, digital Shineware hybrid, solar Shineware had range of line interactive and digital online uninterrupted power supply product, digital voltage stabilizer. These are the products which they supply. The revenue of the company is Microtech Private Limited operating revenue is over 500 crore for the financial year of ending on 31st March 2019. This is the last year revenue which we have. It EBITDA has increased by 16.41% over the previous year. It increases over their EBITDA, TDA has 16.41 over the previous year. At the same time, its book net worth has increased by 16.64. Other performance and liquidity ratio are available here. And it book net worth increased by 16.64% of the company. The company profile is the largest country power product manufacturer, having products line interactive UPS, online UPS, digital Shineware inverters, UPS. 8 manufacturing plants, each specially in different shape sphere of industry, has made it possible for Microtech to harness the world technology, perfect it and incorporate in its product range for the user's benefit. And they have 8 manufacturing plants for each specializing in different sphere of the industry and the supply all over the world. Microtech has been adjudged as the on number 1 inverter and home UPS company of the year. It is the world's largest inverter home UPS company of the year. Adjusting being is tested being best in product quality and after sales and service user satisfaction survey 2008. It is the being best product quality in after sales and service user satisfaction survey. And about the survey of as per survey of 2008, it is the being best product quality and after service satisfaction survey to the customers. This same has been announced in the soft disk issue of November 2008, and the same has been announced of soft disk issue of 2008. Soft disk is a big awarded show of the companies. Microtech International Private Limited is the country's largest product manufacturer. Microtech has won SD award for being ranked best in after sales and service for online UPS below 60 kW and also best in case of service of line interactive UPS system in SD user certification 2007. Its sales and service online UPS below 60 kW and best in the case service for line interactive UPS system in SD user satisfaction. Microtech has been awarded Channel Choice Silver Award 2008 for UPS by IDC DataQuest. IDC DataQuest survey is conducted in India across 19 cities and 898 channel partner of the country, and it received so many awards as the for best service and selling, and they received a award Channel Choice Silver Award in 2008. Microtech is a very strong infrastructural national network which is growing rapidly. Presently, it have 255 service points and 28 service centers and more than 7,000 most dedicated and committed distributors and dealers spread all across India. Beside its own showroom and more than 200 exclusive shops, and they they growing rapidly. Presented is 22, it have 255 service points. They have 255 service points, 28 service centers and more than most dedicated community and more than 7,000 distributors dealers spread all over the India, and they have 200 their own shops all across all over the India. Microtech has achieved total customer satisfaction through design, manufacture, and supply of the quality product. And their quality the quality of the product is satisfied their customers for the supply and manufacture. Microtech is a world range of online UPS from 1 kW to 30 kW, and they made the products from 1 kW to 30 kW. The first is digital inverters, sine wave inverters, UPS EB and UPS E2, high-end inverters, range of line interactive UPS, external battery line interactive UPS, digital online UPS from 1 kW to 30 kW, inverter UPS specialty batteries, sold maintenance free Vayarla batteries. They made many type of many inverters and batteries which the certified for which is set made for the customers for their satisfaction. Microtech is very strong. These are the products, and they also made the wires, cables, and the best selling awards they have received so many times. This is a financial summary. For the 3 months ended 31st March 2020, Microtech International revenue decreased 23% to 86.1 million. Net loss totaled 99.8 MAS. Income of 8.6 million. Revenue reflect scanner. The segment decrease of 29% to 47.4 million. Photo electronic equipment segment decrease of 15% to 38 million. Net loss reflect is miscellaneous income decrease of 92% to 997k income. Gain loss of on foreign exchange decrease of 74% to NTS 2 million income. This is the last year book of the financial summary record of the Microtech inverters. They have very lost the last year which they have, and the export worldwide. The Microtech product has received worldwide acceptance because of its quality, reliability, and exported to many countries. Microtech India's most preferred brand has been regularly exporting in its high-end range of sine wave inverters in huge number to many countries all across the world, and the product of their sine wave inverters in huge number to many countries all across the world. They send all across the world and they receive so many orders, and the customer satisfaction is the firstly they preferred. Microtech is the largest selling power product brand in India. The company product categories are these are the categories the world all or meet the world class quality standards, and they made product the top class level as per the customer satisfaction which will they have firstly used. Thank you very much.